4 plus 4 equals 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. And 16 divided by 16 equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have three operators present: division, multiplication and addition. But we also have parentheses present, and according to the rules, parentheses have highest priority over anything else. So we need to solve what we have inside parentheses. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Our expression simplifies to 16 divided by 2 times 8. And now we have division and multiplication present in the expression, and according to the rules, multiplication and division have equal level of priority, but it's very important that we must work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first, because that's on the left side, and 16 divided by 2 equals 8. And finally 8 times 8 equals 64, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.